Indian Railways, the world's largest government railway, is heralding a path of transformation. Under the able leadership of the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Indian Railways has been commissioning various amenities for passengers, progressively matching international standards. Tamil Nadu's rail development gets a major push with Rs 2,972 crore allocation in the budget 2021-22. This outlay is 238% more than the average of 2009 to 2014. In Tamil Nadu area, footover bridges have been provided at 10 locations at a total cost of Rs 23.32 crores. These footover bridges will enhance the mobility of passengers and ease crowd dispersal at these important stations. Escalators facilitate easy access to platforms from entry-exit points and concourse areas of stations. Escalators have been commissioned at 6 stations at a total cost of Rs 16.61 crores. Lifts alleviate the concerns of senior citizens, Divyangs and sick passengers, promoting ease of access to platforms. Lift facility at a total cost of Rs 2.83 crores have been provided at Coimbatore Junction and Nagarkoil Junction. Video surveillance systems make use of cutting-edge technologies offering safety solutions for passengers. Video surveillance systems have been provided at 18 locations at a total cost of 10.01 crores at 18 stations in Tamil Nadu. At various other stations in Tamil Nadu, improved passenger amenities have been provided at a total cost of Rs 4 crores. Multi-level two-wheeler parking at Katpadi, double discharge platform at Gindi, new booking office and second entry circulating area at Arakkonam, PRS Center and Station Building at Nagarkoil Town, and passenger convenience facility with ATM complex at Madurai. All these amenities and facilities will be inaugurated and dedicated today